Suraksha Diagnostics unveils Eastern India's largest and first state-of-the-art genomics lab with a grand inauguration event. Kolkata, the 4th of July 2025. Suraksha Diagnostics, one of the leading diagnostics chains in Eastern India, has launched one of the largest and a state-of-the-art genomics labs in Eastern India with a grand inauguration event which was graced by Prof. Sukumar Mukherjee, a distinguished rheumatologist with more than 35 years of extensive experience in the field and a mentor at Suraksha Diagnostics, West Bengal, is a leader in education and culture in the whole of the country, and in the current times, there is resurgence in medical education and services in the state. Keeping in line with this resurgence, Suraksha Diagnostics recognized the urgent need for accessible genomic diagnostics in West Bengal. Its genomics lab aligns with the future of preventive care by enabling early, accurate risk detection and better treatment planning. The global genetic testing market is valued at $38.77 billion United States dollars, 2024, and is projected to reach $186.64 billion United States dollars by the year 2035, CAGR, 22.5%. In a landmark move, Suraksha Diagnostics has invested 22 crore rupees in establishing its genomics lab. An additional 46 crore rupees investment is planned over the next 24 months to establish one of Asia's most advanced genomics laboratories. This initiative is a significant leap forward for West Bengal, Eastern and Northeastern India, and India's future in precision diagnostics. The state-of-the-art genomics lab is equipped with cytogenetics, microarray technology, Sanger sequencing, multiple next-generation sequences, NGS. Together, these technologies enable the full spectrum of advanced genetic testing, offering predictive, preventive, and personalized care. Suraksha's genomics lab enables the detection of chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, and Patau syndrome, as well as sex chromosome aneuploidies and microdeletions. These insights help expecting parents make informed decisions, supported by expert genetic counseling. Suraksha's genomics lab also pioneers oncogenomics with advanced hereditary cancer testing panels, enabling early detection of genetic predispositions to breast, ovarian, and colorectal cancers. The lab offers both germline and somatic mutation profiling, aiding in personalized cancer risk assessment and treatment planning. With targeted oncology panels powered by NGS, clinicians can now identify actionable mutations for precision therapies. This makes Suraksha one of the few centers in Eastern India delivering truly personalized oncology diagnostics. The lab's genomics testing process starts with karyotyping, a method that allows doctors to visualize all 46 chromosomes and identify missing or extra segments. For more detailed analysis, chromosomal microarray scans for smaller genetic changes, while FISH technology focuses on specific genetic issues. Sanger sequencing is used to read individual genes with precision, and next-generation sequencing, NGS, scans millions of genetic data points, offering deeper insights into complex health conditions. Speaking on the launch of the genomics lab, Dr. Somnath Chatterjee, Chairman and Joint Managing Director, Suraksha Diagnostics, said, "A huge transformation is sweeping across medicine today. At the heart of this revolution lies genomics, unlocking the secrets of the human genome, enabling early diagnosis, predictive analytics, and personalized treatments. From fetal medicine to oncology and rare diseases, genomic science is rewriting the future of healthcare." Suraksha Diagnostics is proud to be at the forefront of this revolution.
May we please now have the lamp lighting ceremony. For the formal inauguration,
it brings us newer diagnostics. We have fought very hard. It has taken us almost 18 months to come to this stage. And today, we are very proud of the fact. Thank you once again for being with us here today.
To Mittal, CEO and MD of Suraksha Clinics and Diagnostics, for her opening address.
And a very warm welcome from the Suraksha family to all of you. Dr. Chatterjee has mentioned what we are doing. The only thing I would like to add is the fact that these samples do not have to go outside West Bengal anymore. All these tests will be conducted in our lab, which was normally going out to Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So now Suraksha is the address for the whole of Eastern India for genomic tests. And we will also be doing a lot of personalized medicine, which we will be briefing you in the next few minutes. Thank you.
We would like to invite Dr. Obhirup Sarkar, Lab Director, to please come to the dais and give about the project at hand. Sir. For joining us today. Our chief guest of the function has already arrived and we would now like to request him to please join us on stage. On stage for Dr. Shubhaman Mukherjee. Shubhaman sir, Ritu ma'am, may we please have the felicitation. Sir, can you please close it?
Sir, can you please get closer?
Ma'am, camera. May we please now have the lamp lighting ceremony. For the formal inauguration
lab to keep pace with the current time and the trends. This is one lab that is capable of doing the entire spectrum of tests of medical genomics. We hope that this goes a long way in elevating the image of West Bengal's healthcare and is of immense benefit to the patient.
Genetic lab in Eastern India, outside or any other city for that matter. We can do all the high-end tests in Suraksha lab, which is situated in Rajarhat.
For expectant parents, it offers peace of mind. For doctors, clear answers. For every patient, a direction forward. At Suraksha, we pair cutting-edge science with compassionate guidance because we understand every story.
Managing Director of Suraksha Clinics and Diagnostics to start the proceedings. Sir.
Thank you all for being here. Today is a very important day in the history of Suraksha Diagnostics. You can say that today Suraksha steps into the world of global diagnostics. Today we are launching a genomic lab, and one of the very few in the country, it must be said, which is capable of doing the entire gamut of genomics. As we will talk later, we will see that today's medicine, today's unbelievable advancement in the medical world is happening in the field of genomics. And today Calcutta, as well as Eastern India, can be very proud of the fact that now it has its own lab, which can do everything, and when I mean everything, it means everything under the sun, that the world's leading laboratories are capable of. Suraksha has made a huge investment in building this state-of-art, world-class genomic lab, and in the next 24 months, it will carry on improving and enlarging. That's changing almost every day.